Okay, I'll say when. Right, re.maiden, fw190. When? Go. Whoa. Right, I've had to max the trim there, obviously. I didn't adjust the clevis enough, but it's flying. Yeah, I'm gonna have to adjust the clevis when I land. Well, I've maxed out the trim so it's nose down.
Right.
But I can adjust that on the clevis. Rudder's still swinging in, yeah, it's still climbing. It feels fine though. Feels just like it did. Just going to climb out before we get along here levels. It's blowy up there, Al. A bit numb on the controls, you have to hold the controls. The prop actually sounds more balanced now it's had an impact with the ground.
Actually strained the shaft there.
It probably has done.
That sounds good.
Try not to hold too much down the elevator to keep it level there because of the turbulence. Yeah, just as you climb 20 foot above them trees, how it throws it everywhere, so
Yeah, I see that.
just be aware of that.
Bobbling around.
Nah. Yeah, if I come past on the left throttle, it don't climb as much. Ain't got to use as much elevator to keep the nose down. This does really well in the wind actually, this model does. Big barrel roll. Right, I'm gonna land on the way back up now.
Yeah.
Landing! Yeah, successful re.maiden. She's back.